Right.
Yeah.
So your managerial round will be after clearing your English round and MCQ round. After that, doing ESA, right? Okay. So yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Round. The manager round will be the second round.
Okay. So as you mentioned, this English round, MCQ. So these are kind of a sections. Shekhar, correct me if I'm wrong. So they will be in the single
These are sections.
sections. So.
This is single round section. Yeah, you can take it it actually it takes around 2 hours to complete it. So if you can't sit for 2 hours, you can take a break in the middle. You can do that. Yeah, it's very easy to do.
Okay, so first section is like what you said? I had a bad memory.
4 sections.
Yeah.
4 sections. First round is 4 sections: English,
Okay.
and
Comprehension.
programming and DSA.
Okay, so English, MCQ, coding, and DSA.
Yeah.
So English you maybe have discussed, and MCQ MCQ in the sense technical MCQ or what kind of MCQ, Shik?
It's completely technical. It consists of basic of SQL and as well as some Python and Java.
Okay.
MCQ.
Okay, no app.
The library.
Okay, no apti, find the distance, what speed up, nothing.
No,
okay. Okay, so after that, coding, third section will be coding.
Yeah.
The person have a knowledge about arrays, list, can solve the coding questions.
Basic knowledge on Python, like object-oriented programming. These things is enough.
Okay, options will be given to choose, Shekhar, like Java, C, Python, or like how is it?
Yeah, you can choose the programming language. That's not a problem. Yeah, but the question is pretty beginner level, I can say. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So fourth section is DSA, which you mentioned.
Yeah, DSA.
So what?
That is MCQ.
Okay, MCQ. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's assume that as of now I'm in the first section and I don't know the answer for some specific questions. Can I skip those questions and come back and solve those questions later? Such kind of facilities available, or else how is it? Can I revisit?
You can't skip or revisit the questions.
Okay.
You can only go through them one by one. Yeah. But you can obviously take a break in the middle. But the only test is the answer.
All right. So 2 hours is the time period for the assessment.
Yeah. Somewhat around 2 hours or 2.5 hours, close to 2.5 hours. Yeah.
All right. So once you clear this assessment, you'll be getting a managerial round, and after managerial, HR, which you mentioned, right?
Yeah. HR will call you and they'll ask you about like all the previous things that you told them. Like when did you pass out? Do you have any previous experience? Or if you are having, you can tell that. And if you're having a previous experience, they'll ask you your current package and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. If you have a previous experience, there is scope of negotiating in the salary.
Yep.
But as a fresher, it's not possible.
So, putting spotlight for the fresher hiring procedure, Shekhar, is it pretty same, right? For the freshers also, we'll be having similar rounds, right? Like, how is it?
Yeah.
Same.
I was a fresher. They hired me as a fresher.
Fresher up?
Okay. Yeah, this is the same procedure they follow to hiring fresher.
All right. So I guess we have discussed everything regarding its hiring procedure. So rejection mail also sent, right? If a person unfortunately rejected, so they will be receiving a rejected.
Yeah, it might take time, but within 2 to 3 days, you will be getting a rejecting mail. One of my friends who applied, with along me, he got a rejection mail from the second after the interview.